is, what happens is there's also such thing as called complementary. So this gets into art and that too. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to look at this square, and people on the video, if you're looking at the square, we're going to count to 30 in our minds, okay? You're going to just stare at the square. Okay, keep staring at the square. What do you guys see?
Square.
Of what?
White.
White. Complementary color. The opposite color to black is white. Okay, so now you guys are seeing white. Right. Same thing. We're going to count to 30. Staring. What do you see?
Purple.
Purple.
Yeah. Pinky purple.
What? From that distance you guys see pinky purple?
Yep.
Wow, from my distance it's red. Okay, so what that means is from different distances this green, because it's just a it's just a construction paper book, right? I just pulled the color out. Has more yellow in it then. Okay? Because well, let's go there. Let's see what's going on here. That's interesting because I actually see red, but that's fine. Being that I'm closer. Keep staring. What do you see?
Blue.
And I see purple.
Purpley blue,
yeah,
actually.
purpley
Yeah.
blue.
Yeah. Violet, yeah.
Okay. So when we're doing colors, when we have in the retina, okay, so any scientist, if you go start doing it, the color you see is every color but this color.
Right.
Okay, so meaning you're seeing every color but green. So that's why we say green, because it's everything but that color. Now, of course, we could have, we can have different types of greens, right? Like we can have different colors of green because it's just different amounts of the other colors. Okay. In the hospital, they have usually a very typical green color that is on the walls in the operating room because the complementary color, the opposite color is red. So when a surgeon is looking down doing his thing, and if he has to look up, you do not want him to get any blind spots. So the opposite color is the wall color. And then the wall color is the opposite color to blood. So the blood and the walls are like they work together. They're opposites. So that there is no, when I go back to look at this tiny thing, that I have any spots, right? Because you don't want spots, because you've seen what spots do, and they last a few minutes, like a few seconds at least. Well, a few seconds to a doctor could be very major. Okay, they do color in like schools. Schools have different colors in rooms. They have colors in like the psych ward. They have colors. They've tried different colors in prisons because different colors will do different things to different people. Pink, I think it was pink. I'm pretty sure it was pink that they did that one years ago. Was they put pink into prisons to see what would happen, and at first it was great, and then it did an opposite, and then the inmates got even more more than what they were even originally. They got more hyper and hostile and aggressive, yeah.
Huh.
So there's a very big difference for auras and complementary colors.